What was it that I was going to ask him?
Ano nga yung itatanong ko sa kanya?
I can't remember.
Di ko na maalala.
I can't remember her name.
Hindi ko maalala ang pangalan niya.
I can't remember her name either.
Hindi ko nga rin maalala ang pangalan niya.
I need to remember the answer.
Kailangan kong maalala ang sagot.
She might remember you.
Baka maalala ka niya.
I remember what you said.
Naalala ko ang sinabi mo.
I can't remember where I left the key.
Hindi ko maalala kung saan ko naiwan ang susi.
Do you still remember those days when we were young?
Naaalala mo pa ba nung mga bata pa tayo?
Does she still remember me?
Naaalala niya pa kaya ako?
I suddenly remember something.
May naalala lang ako bigla.
I remember the old days.
Naaalala ko ang mga nakaraang araw.
Do you remember me?
Naaalala mo ba ako?
We worked together.
Katrabaho mo ako dati.
I remember telling him not to tell others.
Naaalala ko yung sinabi ko sa kanya na huwag niyang ipagsabi.
Do you remember this?
Naaalala mo ba ito?
Don't you remember me?
Hindi mo ba ako naaalala?
Don't worry, you'll remember it eventually.
Huwag kang mag-alala, maaalala mo rin yun.
You can't remember it anymore.
Hindi mo na ba maalala?
Didn't you remember that it was my birthday yesterday?
Hindi mo ba naalala na kaarawan ko kahapon?
She doesn't want to remember what happened.
Ayaw na niyang maalala pa ang nangyari.
Do you remember?
Naaalala mo ba?
I remember.
Naaalala ko.
We remember.
Naaalala namin.
Oh yes, I remember.
Ay oo, naalala ko.
I remember that night.
Naalala ko ang gabing iyon.
Do you remember the first time we met?
Naalala mo ba ang unang beses nating pagkikita?
When I see her, I remember my younger days.
Kapag nakikita ko siya, naaalala ko ang kabataan ko.
Now I remember.
Naaalala ko na.